Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your voice memos from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Now let's get started. So your voice memo should have already transferred over if you did iCloud backup or if you use iTunes for backing it up and restoring your new iPhone. But in a case that you're seeing that voice memos have not transferred over to your new iPhone and you're not seeing a sync, we want to follow this step. So first thing is take your old iPhone that you have and then go into your settings. From there on, click on your Apple ID account here, and then we're going to click on iCloud here. Now once you click on iCloud, we're going to, where it says apps using iCloud, we're going to click on show all, and then we're going to find voice memos here. So you should see voice memos a little bit further down. What we want to do is click on this sync option here so that voice memos are being backed up to our iCloud account on this old iPhone. So once that is happening, we're going to take the new iPhone that we have, that we are now on the new iPhone. Simply go into your settings, click on your Apple ID, and make sure you're using the same Apple ID that you're using on your old iPhone, or this will not work. We're going to click on that. Same exact process. We're going to click on iCloud and then apps using iCloud. We're going to show all and then scroll down a little bit down further here until we get to voice memos, and then turn on voice memos and make sure this is turned on if it's not turned on. And this time, once you have done that, just give it a few moments and make sure your phone is connected to internet through cellular data or Wi-Fi, and our voice message or memos should sync up between our old iPhone or transfer over to our new iPhone, just like that. As you can see here, my voice memo has been updated on the new iPhone. So that's how you transfer your voice memos from your old iPhone to new iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.